All right. And as for our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week, I have an extension called Quick Find and Jump. So this is solving a very small concern that maybe you don't have. But for me, when I command F in a file and I find what I need, it annoys me to no end that I then have to hit escape once or twice to get rid of that find box. And sometimes it jumps me back to wherever I was. It was very annoying. So this quick find and jump extension takes over, or rather, you can bind it to Command F. And as soon as you find something, it kicks you out of the search box where you're at. So there's no more of this. Let me hit escape multiple times. And if you want to quick find the next, there are uh, keyboard shortcuts for that, and you can jump and down in previous matches using those keyboard shortcuts instead of hitting enter multiple times or using the mouse. So not for everybody, but if you, like me, hate having to hit escape all the time for your find box, this is the extension for you.
Hey, I was going to ask. I know this is an extension, but there was a post that somebody put in there about Visual Studio for Mac as a retirement announcement coming up. They're announcing, I guess, as of August 30th, they're going to retire VS Studio for Mac, a Visual Studio for Mac.
Yeah, not Visual Studio Code, the
Okay.
original let's program in .NET.
Okay, I misread that when somebody posted it.
Yeah, I don't think they'd give up the Mac market for VS Code.
I wouldn't think so, so I was a little surprised. But okay, that makes sense.
That was our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week. Brought to you by Modernize or Die podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the Order Solutions YouTube channel.